All right, Pete. So this is another interesting project you've got going on here. We've got, well, tell us what we've got actually.
Okay, well, talking to my neighbor, I said, I'm gonna make turn a Ford V8 Flathead into an overhead cam. He said, oh, you never could do that. So I talked to Kevin. He drew up the heads. The heads are billet heads, 2-piece. They're water cooled. It's an actually 1948 Ford Flathead with our own heads on it. We made the cams, made the dry belt. It's got a 409 Chevy water pump on it, which kind of fits. A lot of guys have done that. Speedway Motors gave me the intake manifold, or not the intake, but the 3 carburetors. And we just got it running here a month ago. I'll see if it'll start.
Oh, wow. Well, that sounds good, Pete.
Thank you.
So 48 Flathead.
It's not a Flathead anymore.
Already, but the block 48 Flathead, and then you and Kevin designed the heads.
Right.
Overhead cam. Manifold. Oh wow, that's pretty.
It'd be
amazing.
like it's a 2-valve head, but it would be like a 2-valve Mercedes, let's say, like a 560 Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's about 280 inches probably. It's a little over 30 over bore. The distributor is up front, runs off the belt. Got a, like I say, a Chevy pump, oil, MSD ignition.
It just needs a little wiring, and this thing's going to be on the road. Wow.
It's in a 32 deuce.
Beautiful. Well, that's definitely a unique one. This will be another stumper when you go to a car show. People will be scratching their head trying to figure out what the heck it is, right?
Yeah, right, exactly.
So, well, that's wonderful. Well, thank you for showing us. That's a unique design. We'll have to catch up with you as the progress is near complete.